It is Paddle Imua race day, so we're all setting up. We've got a 1:15 start. We're going to head to the gulch soon and check it out. Wind is absolutely cooking. I'm going to take you with me today. We're going to see what it's all about. My first Paddle Imua, so I'm really excited. The race finish is going to be tricky. It's flat. Damn it, I missed it. How are you feeling? The Daisy would be dead. At the bottom.
3 seconds in, fast 8 on registration. 7, 12, 24.
Number 66.
Annual Paddle Imua. Get yourself a applause.
So just finished my first Paddle Imua. It's stressful out there. It is so hectic and so much going on, but I loved it. It was so much fun, and the pump finish was tricky. And yeah, we made it and everyone smashed it. It was just, the scene is so fun and the ending is awesome. So awesome run. Plenty of wind, bit of swell, so good.
That sucks. Sorry, guys.
So my board just flew off the roof of the car. Pretty gutted. So we gotta try and get that repaired now. Sunset at the top of the mountain. I've forgotten the name, but it's stunning. Mt Haleakala. Holy cow. It just keeps getting better! What the hell? Just finishing the day on the top of Mt Haleakala, and we can see Lanai over there. See that island sort of through, and that's the end of Maui. The coolest thing is we can see the gulch right down there. That's where we all foil from, and that's where we left from today. Paddle Imua. Feeling very blessed. This is amazing. This is definitely one of the reasons that these foil trips mean so much to me, is seeing the spots that these world-renowned places are known for, and doing the things tourists would do while we're traveling the world for our sport, and doing it together with some fun people. So yeah, it's pretty amazing. Yum! Wow. Going to see if we can get our boards repaired this morning. So sad.